The customer had a concern initially with the specialty pulp that he was making compared to other mills. The customer sort of weighed replacement versus coating. Yeah, my name is Dale Edwards. I'm a business development manager for IGS. I represent all of Canada. I've been with IGS since approximately 2021. I have probably 35 years experience in the thermal spray industry. This particular customer is a Canadian pulp and paper customer, and his particular problem was he has an aging black liquor recovery boiler with corrosion above the stainless composite tubing in his boiler. So he called us in for a coating solution to where we could protect the existing tubes, and as well he had to replace some tubes due to thinning from the corrosion, so we also wanted to coat those new tubes for him as well. So after several technical presentations introducing the customer to our solution, the customer sort of weighed replacement versus coating, and he made the decision to go ahead with coating the existing tubes that were thinning but still good, and then replacing everything that was below min wall. So we did the coating on the new panels in our shop for this customer. We also showed up on site and coated a 12-foot band above the composite tube in his recovery boiler. And he had a very tight critical path schedule for boiler downtime, so we were able to meet his needs. We supplied lots of men and lots of equipment, and got it done in a very short time frame. The customer had a concern initially with the specialty pulp that he was making compared to other mills. So we had sent that information to our technical department, which they approved, and we applied coating of our IGS 5450 material in his boiler. So the project went well. It was executed on time. The customer was happy, and we managed to meet his warranty expectations for his downtime. So it all worked out really well.